And it's done. Oh, I love it. This is gorgeous. Hello my creative friends, Olga Sobi here and welcome to a new acrylic pouring video. I continue exploring the embellishment of acrylic pour painting with different shapes, especially rings. I've done all kinds of them already and today I want to try something new. So I want to do 2 rings. So see, I have 2 different sizes here and I want to use them to actually add element of design in my painting. It's hard to explain what I have in mind and much easier to show, so I'll get to it just in a moment. For my colors, I want to go for color split base, so this top sort of diagonal corner is going to be white, and on the bottom part I want to use this beautiful red-violet color. This is super beautiful, rich color, one of my favorites. So, and of course some colors for the flow. Let's see how it turns out, and with that being said, let's get started. So first of all, of course, I'm gonna get started by adding my base. Something like this, I think would be good. And you can find all the color names, links, product details of everything that I used today in the description under this video. So check it out if you have any questions. Gosh, this is such a gorgeous color. And I have a very exciting news for you guys. Right now we have a holidays sale for our acrylic pouring A to Z course. This is an ultimate acrylic pouring course that we created together, myself, Molly from Molly's Artistry in Rinska Dauna. And right now you can use a coupon code ART20 to get $20 off. So if you've been waiting for a good sale to try out the course, right now is the perfect time. I will include the link to course and all the info in the description, so check it out. All right, the base is done. I got a ton of air bubbles, so I'm gonna use my mini butane torch to pop them up. Okay, before using my cookie cutters as my ring shapes, I also want to add this color. This is a mix of Prussian blue with a few other dark colors. And now the exciting part. So I want to create a ring shape here. And I'm not going to dip the ring in the paint. I'm going to just drag the paint that's here. Maybe even something like this. This is a perfect spot. Now I'm carefully spinning it and dragging the paint in this circular motion. Okay, I'm gonna lift it up now. And when I'm lifting, there is always a film formed between the round shape, the cookie cutter, and the paint due to the surface tension of liquid. So I pop it. And it's done. Oh, I love it. This is gorgeous. Okay, perfect. Hang on, I'm not gonna put it down just yet. Stay here. Okay. So now I want to use the smaller one and do sort of the same thing, but in front of it. Something like this. I love these colors so much. Okay, so I want to add one at the bottom. So I need to dip it in a little bit of white paint. See what I did here? So I didn't make a full circle. I wanted to look sort of it's behind these two. I like it a lot. I might make it a little bit thicker when it's dry. But this is good for now. So next I want to add some more colors to this flow, and I'm gonna blow it out. I don't know if I want to add more color. I think I'm gonna blow it out first, see how that turns out, and then always can add more because it's easy to add more, it's hard to take it back. Really need to add more gold here. This is beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I'm happy with this part for now. Really love the cell reaction here. So I think I'm gonna start with blowing with the blow dryer for now, just touch up a few areas. This is gorgeous violet here from overmixing this Prussian blue and red violet. So see what I did here? I tried to use rings as element of design rather than to create a 3D effect as a flow was going through it, like I did in my previous paintings from Breaking Through the Limit series. And I really like it a lot. So many opportunities in acrylic pouring that are yet to discover, so many tools. Isn't it exciting? Okay, I finally can stop now. You know, with this painting I went through I like it to oh my god, I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Oh, I love it. This is how it went for me. I was trying to bring more weight to the bottom here because I felt like it will be more balanced, but as I was adding more paint here and blowing it, it did not look good, to say the least. The top looked perfect though, so I really kept messing it, but now I love it. I love this little section here. It turned out really awesome. I don't know how I feel about this ring. I like that I made it smaller, but I will probably need to work on it a little more when it's dry, because right now I feel like the more I touch it, the worse it becomes, so I'm not gonna do it anymore. These rings look amazing. I love this little overlap here. I really like how it embellishes the whole painting. It's really, really awesome. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want to see the dry results, stick around. I will be right back with that. Keep watching. All right, so there you have it. All dry, finished with a layer of epoxy resin for a nice, beautiful, shiny finish. And boy, do I love this one with all this bright, shiny gold. And this section on the bottom here that I was messing around with a lot, just look at it. It's gorgeous. I love this little part here, and this lacing here is awesome. So it was worth it. It was totally worth it changing things up. And of course the rings here, I think it really works well with this color split base and this whole flow composition. What do you guys think? I would love it if you let me know in the comments down below. I will chat with you there. And if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoy all the tutorials and inspiration that I share on my channel, please give this video a like. It really helps my channel a lot by letting the algorithm know that you like and enjoy my videos. So thank you so much for doing that. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to use that coupon code ART20 to get $20 off our online course. This is acrylic pouring course that we share everything from A to Z, from supplies and mixing, all the way to techniques, troubleshooting, and how to finish your painting and get it ready for sale. I will include the info in the description. Take care, you guys, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.